railroad tracks and
Through the woods?
through the woods. He's in the woods, actually. his place is a cabin kind of looking place.
Really? Oh, cool.
That's all right. She's wearing out that name.
Yeah. The more excited she gets, the higher it gets.
Yeah.
With me, it's here.
She's saying her name so much it's confusing her.
Anything to lose. But if you don't have the title yet, you have to do.
I'm going to start out there.
You have to get the title because you can't take it with you if you don't have the title. In other words, if you had just like one leg, you couldn't go down and still have it. You have to get the title and then make it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Come on, Jordan. Come on.
You like that? That's not for you. Like standing out, you're watching.
He said you got it.
You guys watching now. You're sitting there going, I can breathe. Why you can't jump? That's my trainer for me. She didn't have the cold.
What? He's still feeling too hurt. And I said that was her message to you that you don't need her. You got this. You got this.
The second thing about this is you have to, both of you have to qualify, I think.
Oh.
But you can get, I think you can.
I might have taped a whole lot. You might have a lot on your camera without me knowing it. Sorry. If so, you can delete it. Go. Yay. Woo, good girl, Macy. Good girl, Macy. Run, Amanda, run! Yay! Good job, good job.